Hello, Dan here from Fully Charged. Today we're at the 6th annual Cargo Bike Cruise, a celebration of the growing cargo bike community here in London. Riders from retailers, couriers, businesses and charities are joining together for a group ride through the city, showcasing just how powerful these bikes can be in replacing vans on our streets. This year's event also kicks off Electrify London campaign, making the case for policies that will help more businesses, charities and all Londoners switch to cleaner, greener, electric, pedal-powered transport. So let's meet some of the riders and head out on the cargo bike cruise.
We're here with Zach from Clean Cities. Why do you think eCargo bikes are important for London?
Well, in London, we've seen that diesel vans are now the biggest source of NOx pollution, one of the worst kinds of air pollution in central London from road sources. So we know we need to get diesel vans off of our road. And one of the best ways we can do that in a sustainable, quick, efficient way is cargo bikes.
Lee, I mean, you've been riding cargo bikes literally forever. Tell us a little bit about your history of riding the bikes.
Back in when I worked at Kingston Council, I used cargo bikes for moving other bikes around to like bikeability sessions. Since then, I've done promotional projects promoting cargo bikes, working with Fully Charged. It's been really good to talk to businesses about how they can use cargo bikes. So yeah, I've had lots of different experiences, and now my job is nothing to do with cargo bikes, but I have my own personal one, and I've just had a newborn, so I'm really looking forward to being a family cargo bike user. So when she's a bit older, I'll be taking her to school and taking her to the park and all sorts. So yeah, that'll be really fun.
So we're here with Kirsten from Recora. Kirsten, we just wanted to ask you what you're actually using your eCargo bike for within the business.
So my name's Kirsten and I am the environmental strategist at Recora, which is a regional waste management company, and we are using the cargo bike over there to pick up sack waste in SE1 and just completely decarbonise that part of our logistics system. I think it's more agile, and so we can do lighter freight, we can do more responsive freight as well, and it just means that we don't have to put out a really heavy vehicle to do small quantities of collection.
So I'm here with Charlie Ford, and we were just chatting about take-up of cargo bikes. I mean, Charlie, where do you think the biggest take-up is in the cargo bike side of things?
I think it's really small businesses, particularly. It's not always just fleets, it's your cleaning companies, businesses that have to transport stuff around regularly in the city every day, currently use vans. And actually cargo bike is so much more efficient, cheaper to operate, and you have no parking fines, no fuel charges, no congestion charges. So when you total that up, actually trying to compare a van, even an electric van versus cargo bike is actually cheaper to operate and run. The key sector of the market, these businesses that don't have access necessarily to big finance and 24-month, 36-month lease terms, they can go for a subscription bike, easy accessible to them, allows them to move goods around the city.
So we're here with Harsil from Finn Last Mile Delivery. Would you mind just telling us a bit about what you use your VOC for on a daily basis?
So we just use for parcel delivery company. It's pretty easy to use for the central London, as you know that it's quite easy to go through the whole of the central London. So I'll rather choose the eCargo bikes over the van, because it's ready, I can go through the cycle path and all things. It's really easy to transport.
And how do your customers find it when you show up on this?
So sometimes I go to the central London, and sometimes I park the vehicle at the customer's house, and they are oh really, it's really a nice thing, Sometimes they click the picture with the bike as well.
Aaron, so great to see you. So you've been doing this for a little while now. You've got a bunch of bikes, and you are an electrician. Tell us a little bit more about Cycling Sparks.
So Cycling Sparks started in 2017. I started out on a regular bike with a backpack full of tools and some materials in the panniers, and built up and developed the idea from there. I think in 2019 I came to you guys and got an eCargo bike, ran with that for a little while, and then developed the business a little bit more. And I think it was 2020 or 2021, bought a small fleet of 5 bikes, and I've just been growing the business from there essentially. We've been able to do a lot more and carry a lot more materials than we could do before on the regular bike, which has allowed us to expand what we can offer customers.
And can you ever think of going back to driving a van to do what you're doing?
Absolutely not. Not in London anyway. Not in London.
So we're here with Jeremy from Handyman Station. Jeremy, can you just tell us the top 3 ways that the VOC has changed your business operation?
To be honest with you, it's just been a game changer in all senses. We do a range of services, so we carry ladders and different equipment to jobs, and it just really helps getting to jobs quicker. When we get to jobs, people are pretty impressed, and what we carry, that kind of stuff.
And how do you find customers react when you turn up in this?
They absolutely love it.
Nice.
Bikes nowadays are it's such a great PR marketing strategy for companies. They smile, it gives them sort of a nice feeling, which you don't get in, say, a van with closed windows, so you can speak to people, you can communicate, that kind of stuff.
Cool.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Patrick, nice to see you. I haven't seen you in ages. You tell us about Minimal. What are you up to?
So Minimal, fairly new business, 2 years old now. We've been building really quietly. We basically believe fundamentally that the mode in which we use to get goods into cities is pretty untenable. So we think that whole modal shift has micro-mobility at its core. That's getting micro-fulfillment really close into cities and then using the right vehicles for the right job. Sounds super simple, I appreciate. So we're creating a range of lightweight vehicles, 4-wheel, 3-wheel, 2-wheel, heavy-duty cargo bikes for businesses. And then a software stack to help businesses understand where can they most benefit from using micromobility and how do I go and do it.
So we're here with Chris Cayford, UK manager at VOC Bikes. VOC are seemingly dominating here today. There's loads of them. Tell us a bit about VOC and to what sort of businesses that you're selling to and that are taking them up.
So at VOC we are an Estonian company, specialising in making 4-wheeled electric cargo bikes, and really I think lots of people assume that our bikes are for delivery purposes only, but we have such a spread of businesses using them. For example, here we have Modern Milkman, who are, as it sounds, a modern milk delivery company. Handyman Station, who's got his own customised version that's definitely worth checking out. Blike as well, and ourselves, and of course Fully Charged. So yeah, a whole wide range of businesses.
And do you see big fleets and little businesses, and what sort of little businesses are you seeing?
Yeah, it is a real mixed bag. I think it's always the case that the smaller businesses were first to test and have kind of proved the concept, and now we're kind of seeing the bigger businesses really start to take a genuine interest in cargo bikes. And I think especially over the next 1 to 2 years we're going to see some pretty major players having a pretty sizable fleet of bikes, but that's all down to the small businesses taking the risks first and and proving the concept in a commercial purpose, basically.
So we're here with Okan from Zoom. Okan, how was the ride today?
It was great. Yeah, great fun. Some really interesting looking bikes. It was really cool to see.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it, what people can do with cargo bikes? So you were just telling me that Zoom actually has a massive fleet of cargo bikes.
Yeah, we have about 90 cargo bikes. Yeah, all same brand, same model. We have smaller vans, but only these now.
And what would you say the biggest change to your lifestyle and your employees and the business is through eCargo bikes?
It's just so much more fun than driving a van or a car or anything else like that.
Yeah, I guess the employees are loving riding around on these bikes around London. And the customers as well, how do you find the customers react when...
They find it really interesting. When they see this coming up and just parking outside, they go like, wow, you brought my shopping in this.
I know, it's cool, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's such fun thing.
Brilliant, thank you very much, mate.
No
Appreciate
problem.
it.
Thank you.
Cheers, I like your jacket as well.
Oh, yes.
Nice.
If you'd like to learn more about electric cargo bikes and how they might help your business, follow the links in the description. See you again soon.